So in today's video, we're going to sand and prime the Firebird hood, and we're also going to paint the roof. So my 99 Firebird is almost road ready, but I need to fix the paint in a couple of areas to give it that stealth and clean look I'm looking for. So to start the sanding process, we're going to wipe it down with this acetone. I just put it on a shop rag, wipe it down, and that's going to break down all the contaminants so we don't contaminate any of the other layers of paint while we're sanding. So after searching a local junkyard, I was able to find another 99 Firebird hood, except it's in red. I have to sand this thing down, get rid of some of these imperfections like this paint chip right there. There's a couple of small little dents across the hood and some scratching on it. So it should be a quick respray. So to sand the hood, I'm going to use this 320 grit sandpaper I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below to this exact product so you can get it for yourself. They come with 25 sheets of these 9" by 11 sanding sheets. And all I do is get a razor blade and cut them down to size for my rubber block sander. This is just a hand sander I got from Walmart. It's like $4 or $5. I use this Craftsman electric sander for speed sanding. Again, I just cut it down to size from the sanding sheet and I just go to town with it. So after sanding and masking off the hood, it was time to start priming. And all I used for primer was this Walmart Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. Some pretty good stuff, about $6 a can. If I were to do it again, I would use a second can. I thought that one would be enough. However, it was not, because you can see the coverage isn't as great as I thought it would come out. So while I'm waiting for the primer to dry on the hood, I moved my attention to the roof where I'm masking and using this plastic drop cloth to mask off the area. Then I just used some Rust-Oleum black spray paint, nothing special here, and get good coverage on this first coat of black. The primer cured pretty fast and I was able to wet sand it with 1500 grit sandpaper before I left the shop for the day. This really smoothed out this first coat and got rid of a lot of the bumps and smoothed it back over again after a lot of orange peel from that first coat of primer. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day and I'm going to start by wet sanding down the first coat of paint that I put down. There's a little bit of orange peel, so I'm just using 1500 grit sandpaper And I'm going to smooth this out, hit it with another coat of black, and then it'll be time to move on to the clear coat. The worst part about the Firebird, which is this panel here, as you can see, it is just disgusting. Somebody used some body filler on it, did not do a very good job. I'm pretty sure there's rust bubbling under here. It just looks terrible. So I'm going to get a sanding wheel and just start going at it and taking everything back down to bare metal. This is going to take me forever. So I'm just gonna keep going at it, and I know you guys are probably judging me for using my angle grinder to grind away all that stuff, but this is like half-inch thick, quarter-inch thick Bondo here. And this is the whole panel. All of it's so bad. I think it was in a rear end collision right here, and that's why they would try to pull it out. They just didn't do a good job of that. So this will be my life for the next 5 days. Down. There we go. Perfect. I think that is the money. Alright guys, so me and Abraham just washed the Firebird, and here are the results of the paint on the hood and the roof. The roof looks pretty good. I just need to polish it down, buff it down, and it'll get a nice shine. There was a little bit of orange peel on the final coat of clear, and that just makes it look a little streaky. But I'm hoping that the buffing will clear that up. But we're back in black. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.